Hello everyone, and thank you for watching Edupedia World videos. In this lecture, we'll talk about QuickViewer. QuickViewer is a simple tool to design custom reports without the need for any programming. You can use it to design and run QuickViews reports designed using QuickViewer, and after that you can export them to spreadsheets. And note that these reports are user-specific and cannot be shared with other users. Before you start, you must identify the following: the fields required in your report, the selection screen and criteria on which you will run the report, the source of data fields, in other words, the database tables where the data is stored. We talked about SAP tables in our previous lecture. The key fields linking the tables together, in case the data is scattered over multiple tables. The layout of the report and arrangement of fields. To access QuickViewer, follow SAP path. SAP menu, Tools, ABAP Workbench, Utilities, and QuickViewer. Transaction code SQVI. Double click. On the initial screen, you can edit or execute a QuickView that you might have created earlier, or create a new report by pressing Create. You can execute your early created QuickViewer or display. Now we will try to create our new QuickViewer report. So we will set a meaningful description and press Create. So as an example, we'll show you how to set up a QuickView to display delivery related information. The major tables that you will use in the example are LIKP and LIPS. So first, we'll provide title of our report. Title will be Display Delivery Related Information. In the Choose Data Source box, select an option for the data source. You can choose a single table or a join more than one table. As we said, for this example, use the join of two tables. So we'll press Table Join. After that, we have two options: Basis and Layout mode. Choose Basis mode if you want your report design in a standard format. However, if you want to design a custom layout for the report, choose Layout mode. We'll explain both the modes as we go along. For now, select Basis Mode and press Next. On the next screen, you have to add the tables. So first press Edit, Insert Table. So first table, LIKP, it's a table for header level data for the delivery document. And press Enter. And we must add one more table. Again press Edit and Insert Table. Now we need to insert table with the item level data for the delivery, LIPS, and press Continue. So now we have two screens with the list of all fields in our tables. On the left side, LIKP, delivery header data, and on the right, delivery item data, table LIPS. And we have small navigation window where we have our two tables. When I move one of my table, I see navigation window, it change orientation, so I can move these tables if necessary. And now we see that system automatically join tables with the unique key. In our situation, we see that delivery document is the key between two tables, between header data and item data. Delivery number with BELN. Now press Back button. So on this screen, the left window contains a list of all the fields available in the join tables. The window to the right has the same information in different presentation format. You can use either window to select the fields that you require in the report and on the selection screen. So on the left side, you see data fields and you see tables. You see all the tables here, all the fields from this table. So you can check fields that you want in the list in the output screen, and you can check at the selection field, or you can just use list field selection. So you find necessary fields like delivery type and double click. Select and insert field. It's automatically checked in the left section, delivery type. Okay, so we move sales organization. And let's see what more data we need. We need delivery date. As an example, we will need route SD document category, ship to party, sold to party, Okay, so for this table, for now, it will be enough, I think. We can delete some fields from the list pressing delete row or press insert row. We can move field up or move field down using these two keys. We can use select all entries or deselect all entries. We have another tab, sort sequence. So here we can select sort sequence. For our test, we can move delivery field to sort sequence section, and we can press radio button to sort ascending or sort descending order. We will use sort ascending order. After that, we can move to selection screen fields. So we add our delivery as a selection criteria for our report. We can select sales organization, delivery type, and press insert field. And as usual, we see that this field automatically checked in left section of our screen. And we can add delivery date. And main route. Next, we press on data source table, and we see information about our data source. So we press table join, because we need two tables, and link between two tables will be delivery document. So header data, we select all necessary fields from the header data, and now we can select necessary fields for delivery document. So for delivery, we can press plant, storage location, and one more thing. When you press on the field or select this field, you see additional information about this field, like list field, description, technical name with table and field, output length, and output position, which you can customize. List field color, only display field if not equal to 0. You can select necessary settings here, and after that press apply. So it's very useful to make these customizations. Okay, so go back to our table and select batch number, loading group, material type, valuation type, distribution channel, and division. So for example, I think it will be enough. And now you can press layout mode to see layout mode. As for me, I like basis mode because layout mode is not user-friendly. You see sort fields, delivery descending order. You see toolbox option here. You see delivery fields from both tables. So I think better if we back to the basis mode. After making all necessary changes here, select two tables and join them with unique key, in our case delivery number. Select list of fields. Select sort sequence. When we select selection fields, and after that we can execute our new report. Press on data selection and output. Now we see warning messages here. Just press continue. It takes some time and just wait. So now, after your quick view is generated, you see selection screen. It's like screen for the new report. So you have your selection criteria like delivery, sales organization, delivery type, delivery date, and route. Press F8 and we can set now number of data sets to be read. For our example, we don't need a lot of records, so we can leave this field like 100 and press continue. So now we see our output screen here, our report, with all fields that we customize in our QuickViewer. As usual, we can switch these fields one for another. We can sort these fields in ascending order or in descending order. We can set some filters here, pressing set filter. And we can export this report to spreadsheet or local file or word processing. Now press back button and press back button again. Press save button and you see information message that your query test created, and press back button. Save QuickViewer now, press yes. Your query created. So now, when you access QuickViewer transaction, you can select from the list your query. In our example, it's query test, and you can change this query, or you can press execute to execute this query as a new report. So in this lecture, we have successfully learned about QuickViewer and how to quickly create sales and distribution reports based on QuickViewer. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.